Duracell keeps the packaging professional and clear. The battery arrives sealed in the familiar Duracell retail card, immediately communicating authenticity and brand reliability. Inside, you get exactly what you need: one replacement Canon NB-11L battery. There are no unnecessary extras, no confusing accessories, just a clean, purpose-built power solution backed by Duracell's reputation and a multi-year limited warranty. It feels like a proper consumer-grade product, not a generic aftermarket cell. Installation is effortless. The Duracell DRC11L slides into the Canon IXUS 265HS battery compartment with the same alignment and locking feel as the original Canon battery. The camera powers on immediately without any warning messages or compatibility issues. Charging behavior is also normal when using the standard Canon charger, which is important because some third-party batteries can be inconsistent in charging recognition. From the first use, it behaves exactly as a proper NB-11L replacement should: seamless, reliable, invisible in operation. Physically, the battery matches the NB-11L form factor closely, with solid casing, clean Duracell labeling, and proper contact placement. Despite being small, it feels well made, with none of the lightweight, hollow sensation that cheap replacements sometimes have. Duracell's quality control shows here. This is clearly built to the standards expected from a global battery brand. The lithium-ion chemistry also ensures no memory effect, meaning you can top it up at any time without worrying about reducing long-term capacity.